Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, August 2nd, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have a frontal boundary hanging around the region, and that's leading to light and variable winds, some low clouds, and also some locally dense fog in a few locations, especially around the Delaware River Valley and down towards southern New Jersey. We do have scattered showers and thunderstorms developing to the south and west of the region, and that's going to be a threat, especially as we head on towards tomorrow, with widespread showers and thunderstorms as a wave of low pressure passes through the region. We're going to take a look at the latest surface map. You can see this cold front stalled out over the region and waves of low pressure riding along it. Now, we're seeing a lot of heavy rainfall down towards portions of eastern Virginia and the Delmarva Peninsula. The potential here is what I want to talk about. The fact that we're seeing that type of heavy rainfall developing is because of a combination of factors: a wave of low pressure, some mid-level forcing. The overall theme is this: as another one of these waves approaches our region for tomorrow, there is that chance that some of these thunderstorms kind of linger around, and that could lead to a rather wet day for some locations, while other locations in the region barely see anything at all. So yes, there is a potential for you to have a very wet Saturday, but there's also a potential for you to have barely anything at all. So if you have outdoor plans, my suggestion is to keep them, but definitely have a backup plan and definitely have an umbrella handy for tomorrow. When you take a look at the latest satellite picture, you can see that strong lifting here very clearly. And remember, the colder the cloud top, the higher it is in the atmosphere. The higher the cloud top is in the atmosphere, the stronger the lifting, because we're seeing rising air high up into the atmosphere, and that leads to heavy precipitation. So we have some very cold cloud tops sitting up down here in the southern mid-Atlantic. That's not going to push up towards our neck of the woods for today, but we'll have to watch out for tomorrow, especially for late tonight on through tomorrow morning, where one of these waves of low pressure approaches. We get a short wave come through just at the right time, and you can end up with a rather wet period of weather for tomorrow in some of these locations. And of course, tomorrow being my birthday, that would make perfect sense to have it rain all day tomorrow. I mean, it just works. It's just how it plays out. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, otherwise scattered cloud cover. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 80s. Humidity not too bad, but you'll see a bit of an increase as you head towards the evening hours. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially after midnight. Some of those thunderstorms will be capable of some very heavy downpours, lows in the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms, otherwise scattered cloud cover. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 70s to mid 80s. Now, basically, the way this is going to work is that if you have a lot of rain, you're basically going to be stuck around 80 degrees, somewhere between 78 to 80 degrees. If you see more sunshine, you'll push up into the mid 80s, and you'll feel the humidity a little bit more. On Sunday, everything starts to push out. Still a threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We'll have lows in the upper 60s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. With more sunshine, you get warmer temperatures. On Monday and Tuesday, we basically are in a more tropical type air mass, where we have threat for fog in the morning, isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Lows will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. Of course, cooler as you head towards the shore, warmer as you are in your urban areas. On Wednesday, we start the first of a series of strong cold fronts that will move through. This cold front on Wednesday will produce scattered showers and thunderstorms. Ahead of it, you'll have lows in the lower to mid 70s with some locally dense fog, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. On Thursday and Friday, these waves of cold fronts continue to move through. That's going to keep the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. On Friday, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Next weekend looks to be rather unsettled, scattered showers all over the place, but much cooler, with temperatures next weekend, right now, and this is preliminary, ranging from the mid 50s to lower 60s for lows. High temperatures in the upper 60s, lower to mid 70s on Saturday, upper 60s to lower 70s on Sunday. Now, again, we have a couple days out. Probably won't be that cool. We'll see. We'll see whether the forecast moderates. But kind of gives you a little bit of hope if you're looking forward to fall. A little bit of a cooler air mass is on the way. That is your forecast discussion. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.